Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be part 2 of me showing you how to make different types of bows. There was a lot of content in the last one, so I decided to make it into 2 videos. I just added a lot of extra decor that goes with the bows, so it kind of made it a little long, so I made an extra video. So let's go ahead and get started. So both of these ribbons are from Hobby Lobby, so I decided to go in with these kind of a more classy look with the black and gold. I'll show you what I came up with for these. So I made a 3-loop ribbon with the black, super shimmery and pretty, and then I just did a 1 loop to put right on top of that. So I would just wire those right together or just leave them apart and just stick them in the tree together. This would look really pretty with a tree topper behind it. Just kind of move stuff around. So if you wanted to, you could also add in some garland to give it some extra depth to the tree. And I would also go around this tree kind of in a diagonal. How pretty that looks. And you could just keep going with it. Got these picks, you just add those in here and there, wherever. Could add these are from Hobby Lobby, they've got black and cream on them. Could add in some vintage bells. Have this be part of your tree topper. We'll add some more, we would add more stuff on the top. Like I said, we'll be doing another video for that. Also got these vintage bells. I got these on Amazon together, but they're not hooked together. So we could just, you know, layer these around the tree. We could get a few if we want, a few different sets if we wanted. And I would definitely wire in all this heavy stuff. And you could also add in a pop of color if you wanted to. You could do white. Add some white ornaments in with that, which is really pretty. That big white owl from earlier, you could stick right up there with your tree topper. Could add red. How pretty that looks. You could go in with all of your red ornaments. So with these, I would just kind of hang them like this along the tree. So really, you can just do whatever you want, whatever looks good to you. You can add colors that you wouldn't think even look good together and make it look good. You could even go in with this and wrap that diagonal around the tree. These 2 ribbons are also from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to go through and show you how to make a 3-loop bow again. You got your little loop over. You can make this. This is going to be one of your little tails. So this can be as long or as short as you want it. So we've got this super pretty emerald green velvet ribbon and some sparkly goldish champagne color. So I'm going to go about there. Crunch it up real good. Turn the good side forward, printed side forward. And then you're going to wrap that backwards. And you're going to go in front of this. Hold that real tight there. And that's already forward. You could do 2 if you wanted. If you want to do 3, flip that back around. Bring it forward, crunch it up. And then I'm going to I'll leave this tail hooked to the ribbon reels. Just follow your finger really, because that was holding them all together. Get your needle nose pliers. Leave this towards the back so you can wire it to a branch if you want. But like I've been doing before, I'm just sticking them inside the branches. You can spread these apart, you can leave them close together, whatever you want. We're gonna and then I am going to go in and out and weave this through the tree with both colors, separating them a bit. Remember to go all the way into the pole of the tree. Some can be bigger loops, some can be smaller loops. You can go straight down, you can go a little bit sideways. So with this one, I'm just going to cut this off at the end and stick it in the bottom of the tree. Or you could just leave it hanging like that. A little pick I just wired together here. I'll show you guys some colors that will look good with this. Like I told you, I'm going with the emerald green this year. I found a lot of cute stuff on clearance after the holiday season last year, so I went wild and got a bunch of cute stuff. And with these, I would normally hide these back here on the branches and not let them show the little hooks, but not this time.
Look at my cute dog.
Someone wanted to come say hi. This is Morgan and our new puppy Milo. Could add this cute little white owl. That one I got from Hobby Lobby, by the way. The owl did. I did. These huge ornaments here I just got from Michael's yesterday. So we're gonna stick this in here, and there's kind of a sneak peek of how my tree decorating is gonna be. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this floppy bow. So I've got this red velvety ribbon. Same thing here. I'm just going to make this loop a bit bigger and floppier. Hook that in the middle. Bring the print side forward. And then wrap that backwards. Hook it together there. Bring the pretty side forward. And wire. Go to the middle of this one. Tie a knot to hold it together. And then tie your bow. Make it extra floppy and long. So there is our cute little floppy bow. You could add a cute little red beaded garland here. Cute little gnome. I'm really liking this black and white fabric with the bows. It looks good with the green, looks good with the red, looks good with silver, gold, whatever you want. So here's a double, here's a single, and then you can do the triple. And remember, you can just layer these together if that's easier for you and make a triple out of a single and a double. So anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching my video. Remember, there's plenty more Christmas videos to come. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like and hit that notification bell so you can get notified when the next video is out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.